Do you like the way it feels?
No.
No.
Actually, it feels pretty good. Ugh.
Look at those seeds. That's what the squirrel wanted. He was like, I'm going to feast on these seeds tonight. What did it look like on the inside?
Gross.
Did it look like spider webs?
Yeah, not anymore because I took most of the stuff out.
Wow, look at that. That's a big pumpkin, Sarah.
Yeah.
Don't fall off the chair.
That's good. Scrape it down and we'll scoop it out of the bottom.
Oh, that looks disgusting.
How do your hands feel?
Gross.
Ew. What are you going to carve on your pumpkin?
The scary face.
Yeah. Oh, look all that stuff you got out.
Put it here.
Go achoo!
Ah! Hold on. Hold on, I want to do this stuff. Achoo!
Ew, gross.
That's our slot right there.
That's nasty.
You hear the noise?
I
it's
do.
Scraping good.
She's got that one long hair on the front row that's ending up in the pumpkin.
She'll need a bath.
You could take a bath in your pumpkin, it's so big. Ew.
Yeah.
Go get that seed.
Yes?
Yep. And the other one.
Hold on, I didn't get it.
We'll see you in a little while. Bye.
Bye.